Is there really a way to train your brain to make more money? Yes, and I'm gonna share with you right now. What is up, everybody? It's me again, Rosalie, and I'm back with another video. Okay, as part of my daily routine is to learn something new, and I have knew recently about these 4 steps on how to train your brain to make more money, and I'm going to share this with you because you're special. Okay, so before we dive in, please click that like button, share, and subscribe. Click the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I release a video. Okay? Got that? Alright, so let's start. Number 1 is to get clear on what you want. Okay, so getting clear on what you want. How much money you want to earn every month? Let's say 10,000, okay? Or 100,000. The very important thing here is to be specific, okay? Write that down. Be specific on how much you want to earn every month, okay? Get a mental picture of that money in your bank account, on the check that you are receiving right now, okay? Or on cash, okay? So I want you to take a picture on that money on your bank account now. Okay, get that in your mind. Get a mental picture. Number 2 is to read affirmations daily. Okay, 5 or 10 times you do or read the affirmations in the morning, and then 5 or 10 times you read the affirmations at night before you go to bed. Okay, so what are these affirmations? Right, so write down, I am happy and grateful that I am receiving the amount, okay, let's say 10,000 or 100,000 today. Okay, so write down, I am happy and I am grateful that I am receiving 10,000. Okay, so write that down and then read that affirmations daily in the morning, 5 to 10 times in the morning, and then 5 to 10 times at night before going to bed. Very, very, very important. Okay, this is very short. You have to write it down, because if you write it down and you have to read it in the morning and in the evening, you are telling yourself, rewiring your brain, okay, that you are actually receiving or getting that money. Okay, so do that. That's the number 2. Number 3 is to visualize. Okay, very, very important. Visualize, believe, and feel. Okay, very important. You have to visualize the lifestyle that you are doing if you receive $10,000 a month. Okay, believe in yourself that you are receiving $10,000 a month, and then feel. Okay, what does it feel if you are getting 10,000 a month or 100,000 a month, whatever that amount is that you want? Okay, first again is to visualize lifestyle. Where do you go? Where do you take vacation? What kind of house do you live in? What charities that you support? Okay, if you are receiving $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, and then believe it in yourself that it's happening right now. And then feel that it's already happening. What do you feel? How does it feel receiving $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, going on vacation that you want, living in the house that you want? Okay, visualize, believe, and feel. Very, very important. And number 4 and last step is ask yourself, what can I do? Okay, that is telling your brain, okay, to work, to find the things, find the ways on how to achieve your goal. on how to achieve $10,000 a month, $100,000 a month, whatever that amount is. Okay, ask yourself, what can you do? That is to combine your physical action to your mental picture. Okay, combine them together, and then you will train your brain to make more money for you. Okay, so that's just my 4 steps to train your brain to make more money for you. I hope you find this helpful, guys. I'm just sharing what I learned, and if you like, don't forget to like button and share, and again, subscribe to this channel. It will really help me create more videos like this for you. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.